3, welcome to your comprehension video for Wednesday the 20th of January. This is your video if you're somebody who's got the Year 2 booklet. So your task today is to complete page 8 of your booklet, which is called Aliens at School. Now, there are 3 paragraphs in this text. I'm going to read you the first one, and then you can pause the video to read the next 2 independently. So let's go. An alien came to our school today. Its spaceship landed in the playground at lunchtime. It had 3 eyes, 2 arms, 4 legs and a green head with spots on it. And you can see the picture there. Maybe at the end of your task today you can colour that picture in. Okay, what I'd like you to do is pause the video now to read paragraphs 2 and 3 independently, so you know the story before we look at the questions. So pause now, and then we'll go on to the questions. Okay, you've got 4 questions today. Now question 1 says fill in the missing words. Now if you've got a highlighter at home, or a felt tip pen, or a coloured crayon, or you could even use your pencil, get it out now because it will help you. So, you've got to use the text to find the missing words. So, the alien had something arms. Now, I know if I find the word arms, I can have a look at the word before to find that missing word. So, I'm going to get my highlighter. I'm going to start at the top of the text and I'm going to have a look for the word arm. So, I'm skimming the text, I'm looking around. Oh, I found it. I found the word arm, so I've highlighted it. And you could do the same, you could colour it in. And I'm going to look at the beginning of the sentence. It had 3 eyes, 2 arms. So the word before arms was 2. So I'm going to copy that into the space there to find the missing word. And you've got lots more to do there for question 1. So use a highlighter or a coloured pen or anything you've got to find those missing words. Number 2. What did Dom do that made the alien look confused? Okay, so that'll be in the text that you've read independently, so paragraph 2 or 3. So a key word in that question could be Dom. Okay, so you might look for the word Dom, the name, or you might look for the word confused. Okay, so find that sentence where it's got the words Dom and confused and read the area around that and it should tell you your answer. So, number 3, copy a word from the text that means getting nearer. Oh, so if I'm getting nearer to something, have a little think about what that word could be. Make sure, so if you think of a word in your head, make sure it's in the text because you need to copy the word from the text. So have a little think about what's another word that could mean the same as getting nearer. It's another way of saying the same thing. Have a little look. If you're still unsure and you can't find it, look at each sentence and each word closely and think, does that mean getting nearer? Okay, so I'll look at this one. Soon, well that doesn't mean getting nearer. The rest of my class, none of them words mean it, came over to have a look. Oh no, it's not those ones. Have a little look in the text, I'm sure you'll find it. So the word I was thinking of isn't actually in the text. So it's a bit of a longer word. So I was thinking if somebody's getting nearer, we might be getting closer. But that one isn't in the text. So have a little look. It's not closer. I can spot it in the 3rd paragraph. I'm sure you'll find it straight away. Number 4. Why do you think the alien went back into its spaceship and flew away? So I'd look for the word flew away, or the words flew away, and read the sentence around that and think why. So not that he did fly away. Why did he do it? What was the reason? Okay, once you've done your 4 questions, your challenge today is to improve the sentence highlighted in the text. So I'm going to highlight a sentence now, and in your purple books, I'd like you to improve it. So I've highlighted this sentence here at the top. It says, its spaceship landed in the playground at lunchtime. So its spaceship landed in the playground at lunchtime. So I'd like you to have a go at improving that sentence for me. So I wrote it on the board, and I'm going to have a little go at making it better. Okay, so its spaceship. So first of all, I might describe the spaceship. Okay, so I'm going to start with its, like it did in the sentence. I'm going to start at the margin, making sure I'm writing in my neatest handwriting, and I'm on the line. So it's, oh, how could I describe its spaceship? Have a little think how you might describe a spaceship. I'm going to put it's cool metal and fast. So I've chose 3 adjectives. So I've made a list. It's cool, comma, metal and fast. And then I'm going to copy that word spaceship. So it's cool, metal and fast. Spaceship landed ooh, could we put a bit of extra information in there? So it's cool, metal and fast spaceship landed with a crash and a bang, and I'm going to put bang in capital letters to emphasise it. So it's cool, metal and fast spaceship landed with a crash and a bang in the, oh, I'm going to say it's a peaceful playground. So in the peaceful, quiet. I've got 2 adjectives there, so I'm putting a comma to separate them. The peaceful, quiet playground at lunchtime. Now, my sentence is pretty lengthy. Okay, it's quite long. Yours doesn't have to be that long, but make sure yours has got at least 2 adjectives in, so 2 describing words. I can't wait to see what you come up with. I'm sure you'll do great. Make sure you email in your learning because we love looking at how well you're doing. Bye.